Watch the movie until the end before proceeding with the installation. You will see how to perform the installation and how to rectify typical mistakes. HardGlass Max protects the whole phone screen. The package also includes an anti-bubble card and a set of wipes. First, clean the screen with the wet wipe, then with the dry cloth. This is a very important stage. The screen must be clean before installation. Peel the glass from the backing. Hold it by the edges without touching the sticky side. Whilst holding it by its corners, position the screen protector over the screen to ensure it's aligned with the camera and speaker holes. Place it carefully on the phone, and if it's aligned correctly, swipe across it with your finger. Wait for the glass to adhere itself. If there are any air bubbles, use the dry cloth and the anti-bubble card to remove them. Misaligned cover can be simply lifted and repositioned.